Welcome to QLM Business News. And now for today's news stories. Urgent. Nearly 4 million Britons yet to file tax returns with the 31st of January deadline looming. With just 8 days left until the 31st of January deadline, almost 4 million individuals are yet to complete their self-assessment tax returns, prompting Revenue and Customs, HMRC, to issue a pressing Act Now plea. Failure to meet the deadline may result in severe penalties, including late payment interest at a historic rate of 7.75%, the highest in 16 years, potentially leading to a substantial windfall for HMRC. This tax season, a staggering 12.1 million people are expected to file their returns for the 2022-23 tax year. On the 9th of January, HMRC reported that 5.1 million taxpayers had yet to submit their returns, and as of the 23rd of January, the figure stands at 3.8 million. In a release titled Less Distraction, More Action, HMRC emphasized the urgency, urging those who have not yet tackled their forms to act now or risk facing a £100 penalty. The consequences for a late tax return are immediate, with a fixed penalty of £100, applicable even if no tax is due or if the tax bill is paid on time. After 3 months, additional penalties of £10 per day, up to a maximum of £900, may apply, with further penalties beyond that point. Late payment of tax incurs additional penalties and interest. The current late payment interest rate, raised last year to 7.75%, is the highest since early 2008. Myrtle Lloyd, HMRC's Director General for Customer Services, stressed, if you are a self-assessment taxpayer, now is the time to take action and get your return done. Notably, approximately 600,000 customers missed the 31st of January deadline last year. Over the years, the number of individuals subject to self-assessment has steadily increased, reaching 11.4 million in 2018, up from just over 10 million a decade ago. Accountancy firm BDO highlights the potential inclusion of thousands of new filers for the 2022-23 tax year, including parents affected by the high-income child benefit charge and higher earners surpassing the £100,000 threshold. There is a significant risk of penalties for individuals unaware of their obligations or those engaged in side hustles. BDO warns that HMRC could reap a windfall in 2024 if tax returns are not submitted on time, especially with more individuals likely to fall under the filing threshold. This news story is brought to you by QLM Business News, your digital media channel. Visit qlmbusinessnews.com. For more business news stories, also follow us on Facebook, X and YouTube. To help QLM Business News bring you more news stories like this, please like, share and subscribe.